I am quite thrilled to announce that today Amazon ECR launched pull-through cache support for registry.k8.io, which basically automatically syncs images from the upstream Kubernetes registry to your private ECR repo. So what happens is that with the release of Kubernetes 1.25, the Kubernetes project registry started a migration to a new community-owned registration solution to help distribute images more efficiently with data layers hosted across a number of cloud providers, including AWS. As of Kubernetes 1.27, releases are only published to this new registry solution, and a redirect from the old registry is in place. Kubernetes project guidance suggests users mirror release images in their own repos if possible, and points to adopting managed offerings when available. ECR customers can create pull-through cache rules to sync images from non-authenticated upstream public registries automatically in ECR. Creating a pull-through cache rule is done in single operation, mapping an upstream registry to a namespace in their ECR registry. Once set, images can be pulled through ECR from the upstream, and images are kept in sync by ECR automatically. Pull-through cache rules are supported in all commercial AWS regions. So if you are using it, I would highly suggest convert and start using this new feature. Thanks for listening.